Here we have the Smith & Wesson Model 57. In the original case. It's in the Hunter Series 41 Magnum, fairly rare cartridge out in the commercial market. And the Smith & Wesson is known for that's Hunter Series with that 41 mag. Pretty cool revolver. Really beautiful grips. Really no damage to those whatsoever. In awesome condition. Set that guy down. Comes with a little case. Cleaning utensils. Box has some interesting wear to it. It's kind of chipping the paint off a little bit, but it really doesn't matter. Go straight in there. A nice original case. Smith & Wesson Model 57.